Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel uploading a video on TikTok. Right. So you start uploading a video on TikTok and you want to actually cancel that. Right. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing, let's click on the plus sign that we want to upload a video. So I'm going to pick a video that I'm going to upload. So let me use this one right here. So click on next and click on next, click on post. So you have to add your caption and maybe after that. Then so once it's uploading, what you need to do immediately turn on your airplane mode, right? Sorry. And once you do that, you close up the TikTok app immediately and hold on for some minutes. Right, so hold on, and open that on, open up the app again, right, and turn on your airplane mode, right. Then you go to your profile and check for the video, and if you see it's still uploading, what you need to do is you need to be aware that you cannot actually stop it from uploading, but once it's uploaded you can just go and click on these three dots and scroll and click on delete. So it's going to be deleted after 30 days. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more episodes like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.